Good morning, peeps. I'm rocking the M22. It's about 9:45 and we're up and at 'em and ready to go get breakfast in town where we stay. I think after that our plan for today is to do some hikes and do some outdoor stuff, and I am so excited because this is always like my favorite part of the vacation. I finally convinced my family to do that last time we were here, and it was so fun. I did not vlog yesterday just because it was so incredibly overcast and raining that we literally just went to some shops and then hung out around the cottage. Nothing too exciting. But today's gonna be a great day. It is beautiful, and let's just see what the rest of today has in store. Woo! Genevieve had to turn around. She forgot her entire purse because we're walking breakfast. Update, we're in Suttons Bay and we're on a trail, a long trail on a walk, and we even brought the dogs, and Pixie literally pooped our first few minutes on the hike, and then Lexi proceeded to do the same. Pixie, what are you doing? You having a good time? I look like that little bug from A Bug's Life because I have like her water strapped to me and everything. Oh my. Pixie, you're gonna need to settle, honey.
You might think my dog's dumb, but guess what?
Gosh.
Oh, your dog's not.
I guess it's
yet.
probably clean water. It just rained a bunch.
She's a dog.
Well, I hope that's not bad for a scar, Mom.
Keep it over. Hey, babes. Hi.
She literally just caused a scene in the middle of a bike trail in a giant puddle.
She was skinny dipping.
Bonjour, good evening. I kind of feel like my Michigan vlogs on a good day have turned into like a mixture of scenic / me talking type clips, but I'm totally okay with that because I'm always like on the fence between whether I want to do one or the other. So I mean, I guess the best of both worlds. This morning I posted a new vlog, but I have so many vlogs to get edited uploaded for you guys that it's just crazy. It's crazy. And I want to start working on the Michigan vlogs because I'm so like in the moment and excited and just like creatively fueled, but there are so many chronologically before these that like I can't bring myself to just skip those or to just skip over those for the time being. Pixie's licking the lotion off my leg. I'm pretty sure the last clip I vlogged was the beach, and after that we basically came home after looking at some of the shops. Stay up here, honey. Lay down, sweetie. my mom and I and my grandma, Rumba, that's what we call her, looked around at some of the little shops and we had a great time, just a girl time. And we came back and we kind of chilled for an hour and a half or so. And we changed and we met back up with them at a restaurant. And I'm not sure if it was because of everything with coronavirus or if it's just how the restaurant's turning to be, but we went to a place called Hop Lot that we really liked last year, and my grandparents, who come here way more often than us, really love too. And this is by no means me throwing the restaurant under the bus or anything, because it had great food last year and we always love it. We had to enter a website on our phones and then order everything on our phone and then pay on our phone, and it was just crazy. And with 7 people, we got all the way to having all of our orders written in the phone. And it took like 20 minutes for us to even do that. And then when my dad went to pay for the food, it canceled our entire order. So we were really frustrated, but it ended up working out. It was really good. And then we came back home and had a bonfire, a campfire outside in the backyard of our cottage. It was so much fun. But it is technically right now July 17th, which is the day that Ellie Goulding's Brightest Blue album comes out. And it's her first album in like pretty much 6 years. It's like 12:10 right now, so the album's out. I'm literally so extra that I have a bottle of Welch's Sparkling Rosé. Not just because of this, but because it's also one of my newest guilty pleasures. I love it so much and I just feel bougie and fancy, and it's great because I like grape juice to begin with. I'm about to put Pixie in her little house for bed, and then just sit in my bed and listen to Ellie Goulding's new album. And I'll probably most definitely let you know what I think. I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, Pixie Rose. You're just the cutest. Dear Lexi. Dear Lexi. Lexi came upstairs and stood outside my door when she heard me talking to Pixie this morning. Lexi, you love Pixie. I know it. What are you chewing on? You getting science diet? Yeah? Oh man. Good morning, Pixin. Are you waiting for your meal? Want some coffee, Pix?
Oh, it's so good.
So cute. Beach day, beach day, beach day. We're at the beach, Van's Beach, and I'm super excited. And Lainey's really annoyed at me, but she'll not be annoyed with me when she looks back on these memories in about 5 years.
Okay, you gotta take your shoes off. You just
This is Pixie's favorite thing ever. You wanna go outside? Go on! Go on, you can go! Oh yeah! Go potty! Pixie! I took some pictures for Lainey.
They turned out really cute.
And she kind of went too far with it. This is a sad life we have to live. Lainey's so done with me. It's okay.
Are you gonna vlog me falling down the stairs and dying someday? I already did.
Maybe.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, Savannah will have to explain our night incident later. She fell down the stairs and shattered a glass.
Come on, Pix. You look so pretty.
You gotta stay up here, okay? Check that out. Adventurous Pixen. She's come a long way since day one when she hardly would walk on here. What do you think?
All kinds of stuff.
What do you think, Pixen?
This is pretty neat.
I think Pixen sees something. Are you scared? You're my good girl. I got her a new leash today from Tug, a store in Fishtown, Leland, Michigan that we always go to and love.
They were out.
No, that's enough. Who's glad we got up and went to peddling beans early?
What if this would have broken out when we were waiting?
Something tells me you guys suddenly wouldn't have been waiting with me anymore. Laura, I think Pixie's gonna pee.
Good afternoon, lovely people. It is July 18th. I cannot believe it. It's a Saturday. We leave tomorrow, which I'm very, very sad. I literally don't know how this week went so fast. It is a rainy morning / afternoon in Leelanau. I decided that I'd do a slight get ready with me with you guys just to kind of talk about things and to show you some new products I've been loving. First of all, Ellie Goulding's new album Brightest Blue came out, which I am a gigantic Ellie Goulding fan. I've literally been waiting 6 years for this album, like in anticipation every day of my life. Like I'll see the slightest thing on Instagram hinting towards a song or an album and I'm like, it's the day. It's the day the album's coming out. But I thought I'd just tell you guys some of my favorites off the album. I would definitely tell you if I was disappointed because I had such high hopes for this album, especially since she said the songs would be more like her original music, which is what I've always loved the most. She did like a double-sided album. The first side's like EG0, which is more of like the pop mainstream type music. The other side was Brightest Blue, which is more of the songs that I love off of this album. Most definitely my favorite song is Love I'm Given. It's amazing. And then I really love Flux. That one's been out for like 2 years. Love that song so much. And then Brightest Blue's awesome. I actually really like Slow Grenade. Wine Drunk, which is just a short song, but it's super duper good. So I'm gonna start getting ready, and then when there's something I want to tell you guys, I'll probably talk. But until then, we're just gonna do a fun little time lapse. So this is something new I'm trying out. It's the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream, which is color correcting full coverage cream and anti-aging hydrating serum with SPF 50. I've always just used the Tart Shape Tape. I don't really ever use concealer, foundation, BB cream, or anything like that, but I've heard so many good things about this that before this trip I was like, hey, it's got SPF 50 in it, so I'm gonna give it a try. And I've been using it for about a week, and I actually really like it. And every time I change up my face routine and use something other than my Shape Tape, I normally break out or I don't like the look of my face. So far this has not caused any of that, knock on wood. I've really been impressed with it. And I use one of these dense brushes. It's the Sigma Flat Kabuki F80. It looks really natural and dewy and not really cakey, which is what I love because I always thought foundation or BB cream or CC cream or anything like that either made me way too luminous or hydrated and just look kind of greasy on my skin, but this looks so natural. I love it. Ta-da! Super easy. This is my favorite ever. I've used this forever. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Correcting Multi-Usage, and I get it in the shade Brightener, and I love it so much because it has this little spongy on the top and you just twist it, and I just put it under my eyes. And something funny I've been doing is I use a sponge just for under my eyes, and I get so lazy and annoyed with having to run back and forth to the bathroom with a sink to get it wet and spongy that I use my coconut water, or rose water would work too, but I like to use the coconut, which is more hydrating because under my eyes is normally the only place that looks dry ever, really. Blends so well with the rest of your face makeup, and I even use just that sometimes. Today I use the Urban Decay Naked Heat, but what I've been using basically every day this summer, especially on this trip, I only brought these two palettes, is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. So that is my favorite. Now I did my hair and everything, and last but not least, we have this Winky Lux Jelly Lip Tint. It's the coolest thing ever. How cool. It's completely clear, and when you put it on, it works with the pH of your body and of your lips. And it makes mine purpley pink. And since the rest of my makeup today is brownie burnt orangey, I'm going to put Fenty Beauty Fussy Gloss Bomb on top of that. Voila, we're all set.
You want them on?
What? She's ornery right now. Pixie.
You want them? Here, you want your sunglasses? You want them? These are pretty. Put them on. Oh, so pretty. So pretty.
We got our food. It was really good. Lainey. No. Here. Pixie. You look so pretty. Stop it. Stop it. She doesn't like it. Leave her face. Pixie, you look so pretty.